So hey guys, hey, how are you all doing? How is everyone? And I think you all got the news that lockdown extend ho gaya hai till 17th May. It's kind of very crazy. 17 May तक lockdown extend. Okay, so ये extension में I hope you know that why am I here today online because मैं आज आप सबके साथ लूडो खेलने वाली हूँ, that too on Paytm first game. So guys, if you haven't downloaded it, go on my bio and please download it now, and please don't mind my, every time I keep saying the same thing, don't mind my crazy hair. Don't mind it. But yeah, I think this, we need to support each other mentally, emotionally during this time. We need to play a lot of games because it's getting too much for, I think, all of us. And since so many things are happening and it's quite sad, so I think we should lift our spirits up and we all should do it for each other. So yes, so guys, if you still haven't downloaded it, my hair is mad today. If you still haven't downloaded it, go on my bio and download and click on the link. And guys, all Android users, download right now, please. Please download and let's play Ludo together. So I'm going to be creating a room and I'm going to give you a code where you guys can join in with me and we can play Ludo. How much amount for what? Yeah, we all should be positive, all should be good. So Paytm first games, guys, download it right now. Go on my bio and click on it. Click on the oh, Chandni's here. Hey Chandni, what's up? So click on the bio and on the link and please download it so that we can play really soon. And you know what is the best part about this app? I just discovered it a few days ago because my new friend, like a friend only told me, and I play this on my dad's phone because it's on Android, and you have no idea, I'm so addicted to it. Like my dad's phone and my phone, it's all dad ke phone mein aise hote hain. Yeah, my father's phone, but yeah, cute. So yes. Hey guys, hey Utsav, hey Chandni. I love it when my friends are on live, yeah. I just love it. Chandni, Anup is also here from my series. Okay, hi guys. Today a lot of people have come on live, yeah. Cool. I think everybody is sad कि अभी 17th May तक हो गया. You know what? I always say that I think God gave me like a slap on my face because I was like dad का birthday celebrate करने में आई थी इधर, and now 17th May is mom's birthday, so I'm celebrating her birthday also. बड़ा शौक है ना celebrate करने का. Hey Varun, hey guys, once again I'm going to tell you I'm going to be playing Ludo with you guys, and all you gotta do is go on my bio, click on the link and download the app right now for all the Android users. So please karo, and I'm going to create a group and share my code with you guys, and then we're going to play Ludo. And I said Uno, I play a lot of games. Yes, I have a lot of people coming in today, yeah? Woohoo! I'm sorry I was late because I'm sorry I was late. No excuses, but I'm sorry I'm late. Oh, खाना बनाना होता है ना by 7 o'clock, guys. Don't forget. So I forget. So sorry. I kind of like didn't get Ludo. Acha, Ludo. I read Laddu. So yes. So this app, Paytm's first game, it actually has so many games. It's fun to play with your friends, and I play a lot with Chandni because she has Android. So I play a lot with them, and even like unknowingly, with so many guests around, a lot of games. I just hope I know how to switch on this phone because he always gives it to me aise on karke. I'm going to show you the DP also of this phone. Na? It's so cute. Wait, the phone is off. Okay, Daddy. Can you please switch on your phone?
Huh?
Can you please switch on your phone?
1-4.
You're lying. Sorry guys, that's my dad. Yeah. So आई होप आप सबको खबर मिल गई होगी कि एक्सटेंड हो गया है हमारा लॉकडाउन एंड अपनी स्पिरिट्स लिफ्ट करने के लिए हम लोगों को अपने आप को एंटरटेन करना है. वी हैव टू मेक आवरसेल्व्स फील पॉजिटिव. सो यू नो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू. You need to play Ludo and lots of other games with your friends and your family members. So whoever's not downloaded, please go on my bio, click on the link and download so we can play Ludo really soon. Add me. I'm not adding. Okay. So like I said, that's the picture and I had put it. So cute, no? This is my dad's phone. Okay, so this is how the app looks like. So guys, Paytm first games, download right now and only link on my bio. Go there and download it. So please there are too many games there. So I'm gonna like show you. It's so cool. आज हम ऐप की बात करेंगे. ये हमारा आज कल का बहुत फेवरेट. सो यू नो दे एक्चुअली हैव a lot of games. They have pool, they have rummy, they have battle zone, and they have like this racing game which I keep playing. It's called uphill racing too, and tic-tac-toe and Ludo. But today we're going to play Ludo, so my focus is Ludo because I love Ludo. So okay guys, अब मैं बता रही हूँ जिन लोगों ने डाउनलोड किया है very good. जिन लोगों ने नहीं किया है, so go right now, go on my bio, click on the link and download it. So I'm going to create a room. Okay, so once I create a room, all you guys have to do is I'm going to give you a code. Okay, so you have to join the room. ठीक है, बढ़िया सब got it guys. So I'm also going to do something. Chalo, I'll give everybody like a minute and let's talk about how everything is going. How is everybody and what's up? What's for dinner? Let's write what's for dinner. I'm gonna tell you my dinner. What's for dinner? Come on, let me see some replies coming up. Come on. And guys, also one thing, you know, you get a lot of cash free prizes. Like I logged in, I made an account and I got a lot of cashbacks. And also remember that is like the bonus benefits. Oh my god, look who's here. I love it when my friends are here. That's what I'm saying. Ananya Ganguly is here. She's missing me. Chal duty. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna have biryani. Okay, that's nice. Chicken peri, that's nice. Salad is yummy. Paneer bhuji is amazing. Today is Friday, right? Yeah, okay, everybody's having like amazing. Yes, so guys, all you gotta do is download this app, go on my link bio and download this click by clicking on the link. Okay, so then we're gonna play in another 2 minutes. 1 minute. Biryani, a lot of people are having biryani today. Aloo parathas. Wow, I like parathas with dahi and achar and butter on it. That's why it's so buttery right now. Cute lag rahi hai. Thanks. I get nervous, you know. So I'm gonna be doing this, okay guys, soon, really soon. So Vrinda is here. Hey. Pora bal chircho. I don't know what is that, yeah. Kidda. Sattu paratha. Sattu kulchi chole. Ooh. Motu. Is that me? Oh, thanks. Downloaded it. So now wait till I okay chalo, let me just okay. So guys, I am going in. I'm going to be creating an account. My Ludo game is here. Oh, 3. Okay, so I'm going to be playing with friends. Okay, so I'm going to go here. Sorry, my dad keeps getting messages. Now see, over here is create a room and join a room. So you guys have to join a room. Okay, so I'm creating a room right now. So my code is 7254. 7254 guys, for taxi. Time limit. 7254. 7254. 3, sorry. Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Seven, 2, 5, 4. Okay. So we have Alicia, we have Sharvani, and we have come on, Jit. Oh, that's nice, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to be playing this, and I won't be playing it like this, okay? Wait, I'm going to change my camera angle. Now wait, guys. I'll just change my camera angle. Okay, wait. Shit, I'm so bad with all this. Okay, here we go. This is Sandeep, that is me, okay? Because I'm playing on. I had changed my name long back. पता नहीं हुआ ही नहीं. Okay. So guys, अगर आपको मेरे साथ ये next time खेलना है, you know you have to not waste any time and come soon. Are you winning? Do I always win is the question. वैसे with Ananya I always win, just by the way, guys. And I'm quite a cheater, to be very honest. But online pay, you can't ever cheat. You can never cheat. मेरे को एक मिल रहे हैं. Oh, sorry. Which app? This is Paytm First Game. You have to download it by going on my bio and clicking on the link. Make me proud. मैं हारने वाली हूँ. मुझसे दोनों चीजें नहीं हो पा रहे हैं. Trying. अरे यही. My dad's phone's got dirty, huh? By the way. 1, 2, 3. So what number am I? Come. Okay. So let's see. Alicia. Sorry. I told her I'm good with this game. Yes, मेरे जो बायो में जो लिंक है आपको वो प्रेस करना होगा और ये ऐप डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा. इट्स अगेन आई एम सेइंग इट्स कॉल्ड Paytm First Games. Ta-da! I could have just gone home. What a funny person I am. Oh, again I could have gone home. What is wrong with me? She is ruthless in Ludo. That is very true. I'm ruthless in most of the things. When it comes to games, I cheat a lot, guys. I am a big cheater, but I win also. Yep. Yes, Chrissy, we will play Ludo also. I think we've been talking to each other so much that now we have to start playing games also. Hey, buddy. Hey. Yeah, because guys, now I'm playing. When I gave you the code, you guys never came. So फिर अभी because the room is locked. No, that's why. But हम ये जल्द वापस करेंगे. Why can't you get? That's my dad's phone. Yeah, guys, this is me whistling. I whistle a lot. Yes, Raj, we are in touch. I think you missed the live that we had. Guys, ये एक ही गेम नहीं है, इधर बहुत सारे गेम्स हैं, and I think you can play a lot with your friends, you know, who are really far away, miles away. I think now it's been like months that we won't be seeing our friends and people who are staying alone, their families, and it's getting difficult for all of us. So always keep yourself positive and entertained, ताकि you are sane, because we all are going through this extended lock time. Our other two players left the game because they knew they were. I'm telling you. And you know the times when I never cheat ना, people really think I'm cheating. मैं बोल रही हूँ तब मैं नहीं cheat कर रही यार. जब मैं cheat करती हूँ किसी को पता नहीं होता है. But I am very like that. If I play with a friend and we are in one team, or she's my friend, I'm very like मैं तेरी friend हूँ तो मुझे काटेगी. I'm very like that. Just by the way, guys, super like that. Let's get you, girl. Alicia, we are one-on-one. Don't kill me, okay? I'm so nice and so sweet. Ayyo. अभी मेरे को दो ही आएंगे, वैसे तो आ रही थी 6. What the hells? ये भी आ गया. Oh, what is this? this is being mean to me. How cute is that? It is very cute. It is very cute. So guys, if you still don't know about this Ludo, you have to go on my bio and download it. It's really, really fun and it's amazing. And it's something different and it's damn cute. Oh, 3. My God. Whew. Oh my God, I gotta put myself. Oh my God, I'm dead. Thank the Lord, thank the stars. By God. Oh, just got a mini heart attack. Paytm's first games, guys. Download it now if you haven't, okay? Go on my bio and you have to download it. Now, ab main mari, she's going to kill me. I have no option. Don't kill me, please. I have the most sweetest innocent face in my head, according to me. Woohoo! Wow, I think people are still joining thinking ये इतना time से क्या बातें कर रही है. I love it. But guys, please, and I will play soon again. But you know what you gotta do, right? Go on my bio, download it, and you win a lot of cash prizes also. There are a lot of benefits and there are so many games. It's not ki ek hi Ludo hai. There are so many games and it's actually fun with the loud ones and it's so cute and I like this noise. Quing, quing, quing. Quing, quing. See? Yeah, baby. Yeah. Guys, I need someone to sing a song for me. Virtually, somebody can sing a song. Chalo. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Let's not get overconfident. But Alicia was nice playing with you. I'm so mean. Hey, girl. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh. ये ले. मतलब ये तो हद हो गई है. बोल चूड़िया, बोल कंगना, हाय मैं हो गई तेरी साजना, तेरे बिन जिया नहीं लगता मैं तो मर गया. हाय बाप रे बाप. लज्जा सॉरी. अरे गाइस कुछ अगर स्टार्ट छोटी खुशियाँ लाइफ में. Okay, so Alicia, not bad. And Tamjot, if I'm pronouncing your name right. Okay, you guys, Alicia Sharvini, I think, and Tamojit. Bengali, I think so. Tami Bengali. Tame is Gujarati. I'm weird. Okay, so I hope you guys had fun. Again, don't mind my hair. As in every, I think, live I go like, please. Sandeep is my father. He is Sandy Taylor. So Sandeep, so this is it. So guys, we have to do this again soon, and I'll be coming. I'll create another room, and we'll have a lot of fun. And I won. Hi guys, I really won. So guys, if you don't know about this app, it is Paytm's first game. So all you gotta do is go on my bio, download it, click on the link and just download it. Next time for sure we'll be playing. But Alicia Sharvini and Tamjot. I'm sorry I can't pronounce it properly, but guys, this was fun. I really enjoyed, and there are a lot of other games also. Oh, 3. Oh yeah. So once more, if you guys haven't seen this is so cute. I love it. Sorry, I had to show it to you. So we were alone in the house and Aditya and Jeej weren't there. तो मैंने उनकी photo करके ये ले ली थी. That screen wallpaper. I don't have a wallpaper. Many of you will ask me. I don't. And I know now the lockdown is extended. It's going to become very difficult for all of us. But we have to keep ourselves entertained. We have to keep ourselves sane. And we all love playing games. I think we all love it. So don't forget Paytm first games. It's amazing. They have too many games. Next time we'll play tic-tac-toe, we'll play snakes and ladders, we'll play the car game. I think there are so many games. So yeah. And guys, tell me how it is going with all of you. It's been a hard time for I think all of us. It's been too hard for all of us. It's getting too monotonous. And also I have got a new pack for my hair, which will be coming out very soon. So I'm going to be shooting that. I'm so excited for Sunday. I hope you guys are too. Tailor-made stories, don't forget guys. Tailor-made stories. But abhi ke liye to keep yourself crazy, sane, happy and like full of joy. I think you guys should just, download this. It's a lot of fun. मेरे को तो बड़ा मजा आता है. And I'm telling you, in the night daddy sleeps now, so I put his phone on silent. I tell him, you give me. ये कभी actually phone off नहीं हुआ. पहली बार off हो गया. But I play a lot of games. and all the games with the Android people, because iPhone के साथ तो everybody plays so many games, but this is fun and I play with like random strangers, so it's a lot of fun. एंड वेनिस के गाइज अभी भी पूछ रहे हो वेनिस के वो जिन लोगों ने बनाया उनके पास जाओ ना, मेरे को क्यों पूछ रहे हो, मुझे क्या पता. ओके hey, I'm getting a lot of haze. I will collaborate with Hailey Shah. I think हमने वीडियो नहीं देखा यार. You know मैंने बहुत सारा मैं तेल लगा रही हूँ आजकल, like literally I'm putting so much oil. I'm taking cures. So, like I said before, I came here to spend time for my dad's birthday, for his anniversary again. For his birthday 90, मतलब I was like चलो इसके बाद हम चले जाएंगे, अब हम मम्मी की भी बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करके जाएंगे 17 में. Guys, don't forget it's my mother's birthday. But okay, I think I've spoken a lot of time past things. But guys, also remember कि this app, it's Paytm's first game. It's really amazing, and you have like different kinds of games, and it's you win a lot of cashbacks also. So I think that's like amazing, because I downloaded it, I won like I had like so much money in my account, and I was like whoa. So yeah, it was a lot of fun. So guys, if you haven't done it, is this app available in iOS? Not yet. It's for Android. So yes, so next time guys, keep this app ready, ताकि I'll keep coming, okay? So even surprisingly, if I'm there, I will not come live every time I go on the app. So remember to be there playing Ludo always, because I'm always playing Ludo. So remember to be there so then you can be playing with me. So install the app, download the app, make a sign in, log in. They ask you for your Paytm password or your OTP, so you do that, and then we can play a lot of times, and mostly I play at night, so that's a lot of fun. And you want me to save this chat? For sure I'll save it. I never save my chats, no? I will save this one. But lots of love guys, don't go. Acha, okay. मैंने आज खाने में कुछ नहीं, today we both didn't make anything because we've been working really hard, and yesterday and today, like yesterday mom and me were a little like low, and today we ate like we are normal people only, like all of you, like जो बच्चा कुचा होता है ना, all the leftovers we ate for lunch, and for dinner we are eating Maggi because we're just too tired. I think today is just a rest day. पर रूडो ऐप के अंदर ही है, आप ये डाउनलोड कीजिए, पेटीएम फर्स्ट गेम्स, यू विल गेट द ऐप दैट. लूडो उधर ही है, और भी डिफरेंट गेम्स हैं. Oh, you see him, you joined the wrong app. Oh, wrong chat. Oh, so sorry. Speak in English. Hello, hi, how are you? Okay. I'm the most down-to-earth person. Thank you so much. Thank you. Any more questions do you guys want to ask me? Like anything else? Hey. Okay. Oh my God, Emma, चाय किधर है? चाय I don't know कहाँ है चाय. तो मैं पीती नहीं, इतनी गर्मी, लोग पता नहीं कैसे चाय पीते हैं यार. I don't understand only. I checked, Sohail, I checked it, it came. I got a notification. So guys, say hi to Sohail. Sohail, say hi to everyone, say hi to Sohail. He takes a lot of care of me. And I will haunt him, he knows when. Make a TikTok with uncle auntie. Actually, something with my family. I'm actually making it very soon. So it's going to be coming very, very soon. So let's hope. I'm waiting for my sister to send her a video and then I will put it up. Yeah. Okay. Sohail, can I go now? Sohail, और बातें करूँ मैं? Do I have to save the chat? Guys, अभी और राजमत में वेब सीरीज, like seriously web series, how will I shoot? अभी लॉकडाउन एक्सटेंड हो गया इधर. Do you listen to Harry Styles? No, I don't. Rihanna. Hey, now my family is also here, so cool. Yes. Okay. So guys, this is it from me. And lots of love, but also please guys, tonight I'll be again snooping and coming on Ludo, so make sure you've downloaded the game so that we can play secret games in the night and morning and day and whenever. Skin routine मैंने रियाना बता दिया है, आप चेक कर लीजिए. So all you gotta do, look at the hair, it's looking funny and fizzy. पता नहीं क्या हो गया. Anyway, so guys, all you gotta do is go on my bio, download, click on the link and download it, and then we can play a lot of games, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So please download कीजिए और हम मजे करेंगे. We play a lot of games. Every time I'll play, I won't come live, so I will come today also, I will come tomorrow also. So the username is Sandeep. Always remember, okay? So I'll create a room and you guys can just join in. So make sure you download it. Go on my bio for the one last time. Go on my bio, click on the link and download it so we can play a lot of Ludos, a lot of tic-tac-toes, a lot of snakes and ladders, a lot of racing games. So guys, see you. Stay safe and lots of love to you all, and please stay positive. Bye.